your global insider, presents 15 best vacation spots in the USA. Hello, I'm your host Daniel, and welcome to our countdown of the 15 best vacation destinations in the USA. From the scenic coastlines of Florida to the awe-inspiring peaks of Glacier National Park, we're about to embark on a journey through some of the most breathtaking and diverse landscapes in America. Picture yourself hiking through red rock canyons, lounging on tropical beaches, or exploring vibrant cities surrounded by mountains and forests. This guide will take you from the deserts of Arizona to the tropical shores of Hawaii, showcasing everything from world-famous national parks to lesser-known hidden gems. Join us as we explore these unforgettable destinations, uncovering the beauty, activities, and unique experiences that make them the best of the best in the USA. Get ready to be inspired and start planning your next adventure with your Global Insider's definitive guide to the 15 best vacation spots in the USA. Key West, Florida. Nestled at the southernmost point of the continental US, Key West is a tropical paradise with a rich cultural heritage. The island's laid-back atmosphere, coupled with stunning sunsets and turquoise waters, makes it a perfect getaway. Explore the historic sites like Ernest Hemingway's home, or take a dive into the vibrant coral reefs. Key West is also known for its famous Mile Zero of US Route 1. Teton, Big Sur, California. Along California's rugged coastline, Big Sur offers jaw-dropping views where mountains meet the sea. The Pacific Coast Highway winds through cliffs, overlooking crashing waves and serene beaches. Visit landmarks like McWay Falls and Bixby Creek Bridge, or hike through the lush forests of Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park. The beauty of Big Sur has been a source of inspiration for artists and writers alike. Chapter 13, Telluride, Colorado. Surrounded by towering peaks in the San Juan Mountains, Telluride is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. In the winter, it's a premier skiing destination. In the summer, it transforms into a paradise for hikers and bikers with stunning alpine trails. The town also boasts a rich mining history, which you can explore through its preserved Victorian architecture. 12. Sedona, Arizona. Famous for its striking red rock formations, Sedona is a spiritual and geological wonder. The landscape is marked by towering buttes, dramatic cliffs, and ancient pine forests. Sedona is also known for its vortex energy sites, attracting visitors looking for healing and rejuvenation. Whether hiking, visiting the art galleries, or meditating amid nature, Sedona offers a unique mix of adventure and serenity. (11) Lake Tahoe. Straddling the border between California and Nevada, Lake Tahoe is a stunning freshwater lake surrounded by the Sierra Nevada mountains. Its crystal-clear waters are perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, and boating. In winter, Tahoe becomes a skiing mecca, with resorts like Heavenly and Squaw Valley offering world-class slopes. Whether you're looking to relax by the lake or hit the slopes, Tahoe has it all. (10) Moab, Utah. Moab is an adventurer's dream. Located in the high desert of southeastern Utah, it's the gateway to two of America's most iconic national parks, Arches and Canyonlands. With its surreal rock formations and expansive landscapes, Moab offers incredible opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and off-roading. The red rocks seem to glow at sunrise and sunset, creating breathtaking views. Kauai, Hawaii. Known as the Garden Isle, Kauai is a lush tropical paradise. It's home to the dramatic Na Pali Coast, Waimea Canyon, often called the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, and countless waterfalls cascading through dense rainforests. Kauai's beauty is unmatched, and it's a perfect destination for those seeking adventure or relaxation in one of the world's most stunning island settings. Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. With its jagged mountain peaks and pristine alpine lakes, Grand Teton National Park is a nature lover's dream. The Teton Range rises dramatically from the valley floor, creating one of the most recognizable mountain profiles in the U.S. The park offers incredible hiking, wildlife viewing, and boating on Jenny Lake. Keep an eye out for moose, elk, and even grizzly bears as you explore the park's diverse ecosystems. For great travel tips and inspiration, you're in the right place. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Your support encourages us to create more amazing travel content for you. And 7. Yosemite National Park, California. Yosemite is home to some of the most iconic natural landmarks in the world, including Half Dome, El Capitan, and Yosemite Falls. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its towering granite cliffs, giant sequoias, and lush meadows. Whether you're rock climbing, hiking to waterfalls, or simply soaking in the awe-inspiring views of Yosemite Valley, this park offers unforgettable experiences. Zion National Park, Utah. Zion's towering sandstone cliffs, canyons, and emerald pools have captivated visitors for generations. The park's most famous hike, the Narrows, takes you through the Virgin River, surrounded by steep canyon walls. For an even bigger adventure, hike Angel's Landing for a panoramic view of Zion Canyon. Zion's beauty and tranquility make it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a deep connection with nature. Five. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. As the world's first national park, Yellowstone is a geothermal wonderland. Famous for its geysers, hot springs, and wildlife, this park offers a truly unique experience. Old Faithful, the park's most famous geyser, erupts at regular intervals, while the Grand Prismatic Spring dazzles with its vibrant colors. Whether you're exploring the geothermal features or spotting bison and bears, Yellowstone is a park like no other. 4. Honolulu, Hawaii. Honolulu, on the island of Oahu, blends the best of both worlds, bustling city life and stunning natural beauty. Visit the historic Pearl Harbor Memorial, surf the famous waves at Waikiki Beach, or hike up Diamond Head for panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. The vibrant culture and rich history of Hawaii's capital make it a must-visit destination. Three. Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. One of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon is a breathtaking sight. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, the canyon stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide and a mile deep. Visitors can hike down to the Colorado River, take a helicopter tour, or simply marvel at the views from the rim. Sunsets here are especially magical as the canyon walls light up in shades of red and orange. It should be Hawaii. Maui is a tropical paradise that offers something for everyone. Whether you're driving along the scenic road to Hana, watching the sunrise from the summit of Haleakala, or snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Molokini Crater, Maui delivers unforgettable experiences. The island's lush valleys, golden beaches, and vibrant marine life make it one of the top vacation destinations in the world. Untitled Glacier National Park, Montana. Topping the list is Glacier National Park, often referred to as the crown of the continent. Known for its dramatic landscapes, pristine lakes, and over 700 miles of hiking trails, Glacier is a haven for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. The Going to the Sun Road offers some of the most scenic drives in the country, and the park's glaciers, wildflowers, and wildlife make it a true natural wonder. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please hit the subscribe button for more amazing travel content. Your support motivates us to keep creating. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching.